أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي Amin Ya Rabbal Alameen. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all of you are doing great. Today inshallah we're going to study a very little topic, and it's a very simple topic really. It's not even a concept. It is a simple thing that you need to take care of while you are writing Arabic. Alright, that's all. And I like to call this particular thing as Post-tanween Alif in nasab form. Okay, now what is the word, or what does the prefix of post mean? It means after. Okay, so after tanween alif, or simply the alif that is present after the tanween in nasab form. Okay, so that's what the name signifies. Okay, so let's get on with its elaboration. Okay, all right. So first of all, we have our post-tanween alif in nasab form, and that is our rule. If you notice, you can see that the words Islamun, which is in Rafa form, and the word Rasulin, which is in Jar form, are simply written as they are. Okay, so there is no structural change or there is no addition. However, when it comes to the nasab form in Tanween, what do we observe? We observe that an extra alif is added in the end. Okay, so that's what you do. Whenever you are writing any ism in its nasab form, in the tanween form, that is, alright, so you have the nasab tanween, and whenever you have to write that ism in nasab tanween, then you have to add an extra alif. Alright, so you are not going to write the word kitaban as this. Okay, you are going to write kitaban and then add an alif to it. Okay, that's how you're going to write it. Okay, similarly, you're not going to write the word qalaman as alright, but you're going to add an alif next to meme. Alright, that's what you need to take care of, and that's why I like to call it post tanween alif in nasab form. And if you are more comfortable with using the word after, then of course you can call it after tanween alif in nasab form. Okay, this is just a terminology that I used for myself, and this is something that I like to introduce this little topic as. So similarly, we have the word baitan. Notice how we have the post-tanween alif here. All right. In the word waladan, of course, we are going to have this post-tanween alif in the word rasulan, islaman. All right. So that is what you need to take care of. This is our rule, that you always have to add an alif after the nasab tanween. Okay. That's what you need to remember. Alright, however, there are two situations where this rule doesn't apply, and those two situations are as follows. First of all, if the ism ends in ta marbuta, here it is, or the round ta or the gol ta, then you are not going to add nasab, the post-tanween alif in nasab form. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, the word jannatan in nasab form is not, it is without your post-tanween alif. So is the word shajaratan. Alright, so you're not going to add any alif next to it. It wouldn't make any sense. Okay, so if an ism is ending with ta marbuta, which is its official name, or the round ta or the gol ta, then you do not add the post-tanween alif. And the second condition or situation is that if the ism ends with an alif hamza combo, you do not add the post-tanween alif. Alright, for example, we have the words sama'an and nisa'an. Notice how there is no post-tanween alif here. Okay, and regarding the alif hamza combo thing, I would want you to remember just one thing, that it is alif hamza combo that doesn't require the post tanween alif. Alright, for example, we have the word saba. Notice how we have alif hamza combo. Also in the word nida, we have the alif hamza combo. In both of these situations, you can see that there is no post tanween alif, right? However, if it is anything else but not alif hamza combo, then of course it is going to have the post-tanween alif, as you can observe here in the word shay. All right, what can you see? You can see that there is an ending hamza, but behind hamza it is not alif but something else. All right, so you add the post-tanween alif here, shay'an. All right, similarly in the word su, what do you see? You see that the word ends in hamza, but behind hamza there is waw and not alif. Therefore you are going to add this post-tanween alif. All right, I hope that makes sense and that it is clear, inshallah. Okay, so all you have to look out for is the alif hamza combo and not anything else. All right, as I have written here, alif, only alif hamza combo. Okay, that's what. So now you can understand this slide better, inshallah. Okay, so what's the summary? What, in a nutshell, you can simply say that you always have to add an alif after the nasab tanween, unless of course the ism ends with the round ta, also known as your timer buta, or it ends in alif hamza combo. Okay, and you have to mention alif hamza combo specifically. Okay, because as you can see in these examples, there is a post-tanween alif in shay and su, because it's not alif hamza combo but non-alif hamza combo. Okay, it is only ending in hamza and there's nothing else that points us towards that direction. Okay, now there are a couple of examples that I wanted to discuss. Now I have skipped the tanween in the first column on purpose, okay, because I want you to form the rafa, nasab and jar forms on your own. So what you can do is you can simply pause this video if you want, and then you can make the rafa, nasab and jar forms of each of these words, alright, and then play the video and just check your answers, okay? So the rafa form of the word amal is amalun. Amal means act or deed. Amalan in nasab form, and as you can see we have the post-tanween alif here. Then amalin in jar form. Jaza. Alright, so we have our alif hamza combo. Okay, so jaza'an without the post-tanween alif, and then jaza'in. Next, bintun. Bintan with the post-tanween alif, and then bintun. Jaza means reward, bint means a girl. Waqi'atun, rafa form, and it is ending with your timer buta. Therefore in nasab forms you cannot see any post-tanween alif here. Okay, so waqi'atun, waqi'atan, waqi'atin, it means a happening. Then shay. Alright, so it is ending in hamza but it is not alif hamza combo, therefore you are going to add the alif, post-tanween alif in nasab form. Alright, shay'un, shay'an, shay'in. Alright, so this was our lesson number 8 about the post-tanween alif and how you can make the rafa, nasab and jar forms in singular, or you could say in tanween forms. Okay, so that was our post-tanween alif. By now you should be able to make the rafa, nasab and jar forms, alright, and you should also take care of this post-tanween alif thing, alright, so that you don't get puzzled when you find words written this way, alright, in nasab form while you are reciting, inshallah. Okay, so till that time, till the next lesson, inshallah, we are going to keep on practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Barakallahu li wa lakum fil Qur'an al-Hakim. Allah Hafiz.